Ever wondered how enterprise SaaS software works? Well, your curiosity ends here. SaaS, or software as a service, is a unique software delivery model that's changing the game in the business sphere. Unlike traditional software that requires installation on individual devices, SaaS is hosted on the cloud and can be accessed via the internet. This approach offers an array of benefits, including cost savings, scalability, and ease of use. Imagine not having to worry about hardware costs, software updates, or maintenance. That's the power of SaaS. It's commonly used across various industries from healthcare to retail, education, and beyond. This software model has become a key ingredient in driving business efficiency and facilitating digital transformation. It's like having a powerful tool right at your fingertips, ready to be deployed at any moment. So, ready to dive deeper into the mechanics of this fascinating tech world? Buckle up! So, how does this magical cloud-based service work? Well, let's unravel the mystery behind the mechanics of SaaS, also known as software as a service. At its core, SaaS is about delivering software over the internet. But instead of being like your traditional software, where you buy a disk or download an installer, SaaS operates on a completely different principle. You see, with SaaS, you don't need to worry about installing or running applications on your own systems. You don't need to fret over system compatibility, hardware requirements, or updates. The provider takes care of all of that. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at a restaurant. Instead of cooking the meal yourself, which would involve buying ingredients, preparing them, and cleaning up afterward, you simply order from the menu, and the restaurant handles everything else. That's essentially how SaaS works. But instead of meals, it's software. And instead of restaurants, it's SaaS providers. The SaaS provider hosts everything on their servers. You, as a user or a business, access the software through your internet browser. You just log in, use the software, and log out when you're done. It's as simple and straightforward as that. Furthermore, SaaS operates on a subscription model. You pay a recurring fee to use the software, typically on a monthly or annual basis. This model provides flexibility, allowing businesses to scale up or down as needed. But what's even more fascinating is the multi-tenant architecture of SaaS. Picture an apartment building. Each tenant has their own separate apartment, but they all share the same infrastructure, like the building and its amenities. Similarly, in a SaaS environment, all users share the same infrastructure and services, but each user has their own separate instance of the software. So that's a quick dive into the mechanics of SaaS software. It's a revolutionary way of delivering software that's flexible, scalable, and eliminates a lot of the headaches associated with traditional software deployment. Sounds pretty cool, right? But that's not all. Let's move on to some trending SaaS software. Now that you're familiar with the workings of SaaS, let's explore some of the top trending enterprise SaaS software out there. First up, we have Salesforce, a customer relationship management solution that's been on everyone's lips lately. Salesforce empowers businesses to manage and analyze customer interactions and data through a single platform. With its diverse suite of applications focused on customer service, marketing automation, analytics, and application development, Salesforce has been setting the stage for customer-centric enterprises. Next on our list is Slack, the business communication platform that's become synonymous with efficient team collaboration. Slack's real-time messaging, archiving, and search capabilities streamline teamwork by establishing a unified workspace where conversations are organized and accessible. Now that's a productivity booster. Then we have Zendesk, a customer support platform that's all about improving customer relationships. Zendesk offers a range of products for customer support, live chat, analytics, and more, making it easier for businesses to maintain happy customers and positive reviews. Moving on, let's talk about HubSpot. This inbound marketing, sales, and customer service platform helps businesses attract, engage, and delight customers. HubSpot's comprehensive tools for content management, social media marketing, web analytics, and search engine optimization are truly transforming the way businesses approach their marketing strategies. Also trending is Zoho, a suite of online productivity tools and SaaS applications. Zoho's wide range of applications like CRM, project management, word processing, web conferencing, and even an invoicing system are designed to run an entire business on the cloud. Lastly, we have Atlassian's Jira, a project management software that's become a favorite among development teams. Jira's powerful features for issue tracking, agile project management, and software development help teams plan, track, and release top-notch software. These software are not just tools, they are game changers, revolutionizing the way businesses operate, communicate, and deliver value. They're making waves in the business world, and for good reason. They're efficient, user-friendly, and most importantly, they're designed to empower businesses to be the best they can be. These software are changing the game. But how do you choose the right one for your business? Let's find out. With so many options, how do you choose the right SaaS software for your business? Now that's a question that's probably been playing on repeat in your mind. Let's break it down. First up, functionality. This is the backbone of any software. You need to identify what your business needs are and find a SaaS software that aligns with those needs. Does it have the features and tools that your business requires to operate smoothly and efficiently? If it's a resounding yes, you're on the right track. Next, we have ease of use. A software could have all the bells and whistles, but if it's tantamount to deciphering hieroglyphics, it's not the one for you. Remember, the goal of using SaaS software is to streamline operations, not complicate them. So choose a software that's user-friendly and intuitive. Your team will thank you for it. Cost is another significant factor to consider. SaaS software comes in a range of prices, from the cost-effective to the extravagant. You need to find a balance between what your budget allows and the value the software brings to your business. Don't be lured by low-cost options that don't deliver. And equally, don't splurge on high-end software if it's not necessary. Finally, customer support. As perfect as a software might seem, there will come a time when you'll need assistance. It could be a technical glitch or a query about a feature. That's when robust customer support becomes invaluable. Look for software providers that offer reliable, round-the-clock support. A good customer support team can make the difference between a minor hiccup and a major headache. In the end, choosing the right SaaS software is about understanding your business needs and aligning them with the right solution. It's about doing your research, asking the right questions, and making an informed decision. So, take a deep breath, you've got this. Choosing the right software can seem daunting, but with these tips, you're well on your way to making an informed decision. So, what's next for SaaS? As we peer into the crystal ball of the software industry, it's clear that the future of SaaS is paved with innovative trends waiting to be explored. The evolution of SaaS is not slowing down, and as technology advances, so does the potential for this software model. One of the most prominent trends that we'll see is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI is already making waves across multiple sectors, and SaaS is no exception. The fusion of AI and SaaS is set to revolutionize the way businesses operate. AI will enable SaaS platforms to deliver personalized experiences, automate processes, and provide predictive analytics, making businesses more efficient and customer-centric. Another trend to keep an eye on is the rise of vertical SaaS. Unlike traditional SaaS that caters to a wide range of industries, vertical SaaS is specifically tailored for niche sectors. It's designed to cater to the unique needs of specific industries, offering customized solutions that generic SaaS platforms may not provide. This specialization allows businesses to maximize their efficiency and productivity, setting the stage for a new era of industry-specific software solutions. And let's not forget about security. As more and more businesses migrate their operations to the cloud, the need for robust security measures increases. In the future, we can expect to see SaaS providers ramping up their security protocols. This would include advanced threat detection, data encryption, and privacy protection features, ensuring that businesses can operate in the digital realm without fear of data breaches or cyber attacks. But these are just a few of the trends shaping the future of SaaS. As the software landscape continues to evolve, we're bound to see even more exciting developments. From blockchain integration to the rise of no-code platforms, the possibilities are truly endless. The future of SaaS is bright, and it's only getting brighter. And as we move forward, one thing is certain. SaaS will continue to be at the forefront of digital transformation, driving innovation and reshaping the way businesses operate. So there you have it, a complete guide to enterprise SaaS software. We embarked on this journey by understanding the basics of software as a service and how it has revolutionized the way businesses operate. We delved into the mechanics of SaaS, exploring how it works and the benefits it brings to enterprises. We then toured the landscape of top trending enterprise SaaS offerings, showcasing their unique features and how they are shaping the world of business. We also discussed how to choose the right SaaS solution, underlining the importance of understanding your business needs and objectives. And finally, we cast a glance towards the future, where SaaS is headed and how it will continue to evolve. The world of SaaS is vast and ever-changing. It's a thrilling trip to navigate, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Next time someone asks you about SaaS, you'll be the expert in the room. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.